to teach you how to do the pop strum for the ukulele. First things first, to strum, you need to use your index finger. Make sure that you use the side of your fingernail, the tip of your finger. Do not use your finger pad, it won't create a lot of sound. So remember, we take our finger and we go down. Make sure that we're touching the top part of our bridge and not the sound hole when we're strumming. So again, we go down and then up, and we use our side of our fingertip for that as well. So first thing I'm going to do is teach you what that strum pattern is. And the strum pattern goes like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, and I'm doing it all on open string. So I want you to try that with me. Ready? Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you have the basis of the pop strum. Now, I want to teach you how to use the C chord. So you're going to go to your 3rd fret, that's right here. And you're going to go on your 1st string using your ring finger. You're going to be on your 1st string, which is the E string, okay? And you're just going to go down, down, up, down, up. There's one. Now I'm going to teach you another chord. That chord is F. With F, you're going to go on your 1st fret, 2nd string. Remember, we go from the bottom up, not top bottom. So 2nd string, and then 2nd fret, 4th string, like this, okay? And again, we go down, down, up, down, up. Then, we're gonna go back to our C, and then our F. Okay, so far you have 2 chords learned. Next, I'll teach you A minor. This would be the minor chord you would use in your chord progression. You're going to go to your 2nd fret, 4th string. Everything else is open, and we again go down, down, up, down, up. So there's your A minor. Then we're going to go to our G7 chord, not our G major, but our G7. This has more of a resolution to our C major chord. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st and, sorry, not 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st and 3rd string, like this. And again, you're going to go down, down, up, down, up. So all together, you're going to go C, F, A minor, G7, back to C. Again, C, F, A minor, G7, and C. So all together, you will have this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, A minor, down, up, G7, down, up, C. And that's the pop chord progression. Thank you.